Have you ever observed this interesting YouTube algorithm? This one particular algorithm has been never changed in past 1 year and will not change in future also. Some of you have most commonly observed that if you have done 3 minutes video and another one video of 10 minutes, and both video are of same topic, then chances are high that 10 minutes video can go viral. How's this possible? Both videos are on same topic, and both videos are done by you with same editing skills. Yes, this is the problem with you because you are not understanding the YouTube algorithm, which is constant from past 1 year. Today, I will show you that how long videos help you to get more views. As creator one can think that doing one long videos takes more time, we can invest that time into making some 3 minutes video and extract 3 more videos in that same time. If you are thinking like that means you are absolutely wrong, because one long video is equal to 10 to 15 short videos that you upload on your channel. Before diving into video, first let me show you something. See this channel. It has less than 30 videos, and it's already about to reach 45,000 subscribers. How it's possible? Just observe this another channel. This channel has published less than 25 videos and is about to reach 80,000 milestone. You can also do this. You may ask me about their success. Well, in my perspective, the video that are uploaded in these two channels are all long videos. They are all more than 6 minutes and some are up to 10 to 12 minutes. Now you may have got an idea about today's video. Simple thing is that I am here today to tell that long videos help you to grow 10 times more faster. Now let's talk practically. What does YouTube policy say? It says that if a viewer entries the YouTube them, he should be stayed long on that platform. Not only YouTube, even Instagram, Twitter, and every platform says this policy. This is the main motto of the platforms. If that motto is fulfilled by your channel videos, then YouTube starts recommending your videos more to new viewers. Simple thing, every platform wants more engagement and more watch time, and if you are providing it, then your videos will be recommended more. Now you may ask me that what about 3 minutes videos? Will they not get views only? My answer is simple. Basically, watch time matters. If you have 3 minutes video and assume that you have got 100 views and people have watched it up to 2 minutes, then the watch time will also be 200 minutes. But in long videos, if you have got 100 views and people have watched it about 5 minutes, then your watch time will be 500 minutes. Now compare these two. Your short video has got about 200 minutes watch time, but your long videos have got 500 watch time. Then chances are high that long video can go viral. But listen, if you are doing 3 to 4 minutes videos, then don't stop. Try to bring more audience retention in that videos. If audience retention is high, then your watch time will be high, and YouTube recommendation will also be more. If you are uploading long videos, then it's good, try making it engaging. And if you are not doing long videos, then my suggestion for you is that try uploading long videos at least once in a week. And this is the one particular YouTube algorithm that has never changed since 1 year, and will also never change in future. And you check it by yourself, all the channel's popular videos will be most commonly long videos which are above than 5 minutes. So try uploading it. So guys, this was the one thing that I had been observing since a year. This trick has worked to many channels. So this was the today's video. If you have liked the video, then do subscribe for more interesting videos like this. Until then, keep visiting. I will meet you in the next video.